In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to play FIFA Panini. Let's get started. First, launch the FIFA Panini app. Make sure you are already logged into your account. Create a new account if you don't already have one. Start a collection by opening your free starter packs. Registered FIFA accounts receive 3 starter packs plus 2 free packs every day. Open sticker packs and place each sticker into its correct position in your digital album. If you receive duplicate stickers, use the swap feature to trade with collectors from around the world and fill missing spots. Join or create a collectors team to play with friends, complete challenges, and unlock badges. Build your own dream team using the player stickers you collect. Enter promo codes found inside official Panini products or scan eligible Coca-Cola labels to unlock additional sticker packs and exclusive stickers. Keep collecting until you complete all 48 national teams and the entire FIFA World Cup 2026 digital album before the event ends. So this is how you can play FIFA Panini. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.